Hey beach lovers, let's do a room tour at the Hilton Beachfront Resort and Spa at Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. This is a look at their king room and queen room is up next. So let's go ahead and get started. When you first walk into the room, the bathroom is located on your right with a single vanity and a walk-in glass door shower. It is not an overhead rain shower. There is enough room for two people in the shower, and the products are included with your stay are Crabtree and Evelyn products. You've got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Across from the bathroom is a small closet where you can hang your clothes, and there is a ironing board and iron included. This is on your left hand side when you walk into the room. As you walk into the bedroom area, there is plenty of space. I love how they bring the outdoor ocean colors into the room so it's peaceful and tranquil. You'll notice that a lot of the resorts on Hilton Head Island are older, but the Hilton Beachfront Resort and Spa is undergoing renovations and it's being spruced up. This felt clean, it felt spacious, and really relaxing to be in. We stayed in this room as a family of 5 and used the connecting space. In your dresser, you'll find your mini fridge and the safe. The TVs are smart TVs, so you can log into your Netflix account and watch TV, which is always a bonus when you're staying at a hotel, in my opinion. And then over near the desk, you've got your coffee pot, your ice bucket, and they've got some teas as well. At night, you can plug in your technology on either side of the bed with USB ports so you can easily recharge, but any highlight of an oceanfront room has got to be the balcony, so let's go ahead and step out, check out that view. There are 2 chairs and a little table outside on this balcony, and there are sweeping views of the outdoor pool and oceanfront, which is just beautiful. If you love spending time outside, it's best to splurge for that oceanfront room. Next up, let's compare it to the 2 queen bed oceanfront room at the same resort, the Hilton Beachfront Resort and Spa. This was the connecting room, so everything is going to kind of be the mirror image. This is the bathroom, which is on the left hand side when you walk in. Same thing, you've got the single vanity, all of your towels and linens are provided, and then behind it is the glass door shower. So this really mirrors the king room that's connecting. Across the way, you do have a little bit of a difference. When you see this closet, you've got the 2 robes plus the iron and ironing board. Walking into the 2 queen bed space is still very spacious. It felt like there's plenty of room to spread out. As a family of 5, we had the 2 connecting rooms and we were able to have plenty of space. The kids slept on this side. I've got 3 kids, 1 in one bed, 2 in the other, and then we had the connecting space in the king side. So the king room still has your coffee pot and your ice bucket and desk, and you've got the smart TV plus mini fridge again in your cabinet. Other than the beds, the biggest difference with this room was how big the balcony is. So this had a much bigger balcony. You still had the 2 chairs and table, but because it was a corner room, room 580, you had so much more space outside. So if you're a family that enjoys sitting outside and you've got a larger family and you want to grab this room, it is 580. The views are just as good at the corner of the building, and you have that same outdoor view of the pools and ocean. Let's look at the Hilton Beachfront Resort and Spa amenities. There are 2 outdoor pools. One is as deep as 5.5 feet and is a lap-sized pool. There are 2 bars, and it is a full-service pool deck where you can order food and drinks. And then the second pool is 11 to 13 feet deep. This took me by surprise a little bit with having young ones, and we just kind of avoided that pool altogether. On rainy days, it's nice to know that they have an indoor pool as well. So if you have kids that have plenty of energy and and there's storms at Hilton Head Island, head to the indoor pool. And parents who are looking for a little bit of me time can check out the Spa Soleil, where it's a full service spa, massages, pedicures, facials, and body scrubs. So that is the Hilton Beachfront Resort and Spa in Hilton Head Island. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments, and find me at savvymamalifestyle.com.